The dusty Yoruba town of Sakete cannot even be found on many maps of Benin in West Africa. North of the country's capital, Porto Novo, and not far from the Nigerian border, it has a population of around 12,000. The town has pleasant trees and greenery, as well as rubbish-strewn byways and maze-like streets dotted with open areas for socializing and events. From early afternoon to dusk, the Egungun wander the Sakete streets, each with a retinue of drumming, singing, and dancing attendants. Ritual masquerades, and displays of dance and mystic powers are held for large crowds of spectators. The Egungun bestow blessings and mystical knowledge, in return for small donations, but many are also aggressive, chasing and whipping sinful spectators with thin branches. Most Egungun are guided by a minder using a wand with which they also restrain violent behavior.
Benin. Olha, vem guardando, né? Ah, não vai a câmera lá. Apa?
Hey, Banyak kumau ni kok. Banyak kumau ni kok. Bangsa. Inú ẹ̀pinnu fún ẹ sáré pinnu fún ẹ sáré fún wa lérè ẹ sáré ṣeré ẹ kò sáré ṣeré fún wa.